Hello, Jim Tech Pros back with a new video, and we've got some products in from PadMate, and they're their latest earbuds to market. It's the Nano Bluetooth 5.0 and the Quiet Mini, so I look forward to checking these out. But do also check out some of their previous ones here. These ones here in particular are excellent, and the last pair that we reviewed, and they come with this nice case here that will pop open like so, and that's them there, really nice. And then this here was one of their first ones, and they are excellent, and they've got wireless charging as well, and the charge bank there on the back as well, which is really nice. So do check them out on the site there. So first up, let's check these out. So we're going to unbox them, have a quick look, show you what they're all about, and then you can ask any questions while we take them out for a review period. So let's start with the Nano, and we did have a sneak peek of these ones because I was looking forward to seeing them. So in here you're going to get your bag here, the leather bag to carry them in, which is really nice with the PaMu branding. So it's just a drawstring bag, but still it's nice to see and be included. You will also get your USB-A to USB-C cable and some extra tips as well, like so. And that's that, so that will cover everyone there. Of course, your instruction booklet there. So everything you need is in here, and that's what you need to see. A nice inclusion to have the little carry case as well. So this case does wirelessly charge too, which is cool. So I want to pull them out, and that's the case itself there, pretty nice. And it will pop open like so, and you have your LEDs on the inside on this, and on the back you have got your port for charging. And of course here you can see this mesh kind of material up on top, which we would have seen before in their previous ones. We'll just get this earbud out, it'll be nice. And we have it. So that's what the buds look like there. Very, very small, as you can see, compared to their previous ones. And nice ergonomic shape on them there too. I love the shape on these, they're pretty cool looking. You can see our connection points there, left and right branding. So we want to pop them into the case and see what they look like there. And that's not the right way. Turn them around the right. And that's what they're going to look like sat inside the box there, like so. Pretty nice indeed. And you can see the LEDs coming through now on this here, which is nice. It's pretty similar to this kind of design here. So you have got your QC 2020 chip, IPX6 water resistant, QI charging, and again that design there. So it's going to be interesting to see how these sound when they're on. You can see left and right marked there, and let's have a look and see if they're not going to fall out of the case should it open on you. So that's a good start. So moving on, let's check out the next pair. Just get all that out of the way. And here we have got a nice packaging setup again. So on the back here it will tell us that we've got everything in Chinese, more or less. Yep, so let's have a look inside. But they have got an ANC, and this gives you 30 hours of charging with your QC 3020 chip, and they have got Type-C cable and 1.5 hours to charge them fully, so that's not too bad. So we'll take out that case there, and you reckon you're going to get around 10 hours talking time in total, so that's pretty good. And your charging time in 1.5 hours. So in here is your tips. So that's them in there, pretty nice. And in here is where you get all the little extras. So let's see what we have. And okay, so I've got your little booklets here, like so. There's a few in this one. So you pop all them back in your USB-A to USB-C cable. And again, you get another little bag here, which is nice as well. So that's pretty nice. So again, they're keeping with their product all the time, not leaving anything out. Like some manufacturers might give you a case one year, not give you a new one the next year, and so on. But these are continuing giving everything in the package. So let's take this off and see what these look like. So it's a nice kind of bluish colour, really nice. You've got your USB-C port on the back, and that's what they look like in there. So compared to the original Quiet, that's the original Quiet there. So we'll just pop them out and leave them here, and we're going to take these out here. So again, you can see the design is pretty much the same. So the original's up on top, new one's on the bottom, and you can see there. And I love this colour here. It's a nice sheen off as well. You've got the PaMu on the both sides there with your tip, your connection point, as they say, and that's basically what they look like there. So you've got a much smaller case this time around. You've got A and C written on the front there, and let's pop them in and see. Take off these ends. So they should go in this way. No, it's this side. So that's what they look like in the box. You have no light on the back, have you? Nope. And that's pretty much it there. So just quickly put a charge knot there. It could be flat. And that's what they look like there anyway. I'll turn on this. Doesn't appear to be a light there, and that looks like on the bottom 5,000 milliamp hour battery, 1.85 watts. So that's basically what they look like there in the case anyway. And again, you can see there is much of a similar design to the previous model there. So that's the two of them there side by side, and they look really nice. So let's check them out and see how they're going. Remember, these have a nice ring that comes up when they're charging up around the edge. Really cool. Haven't seen it on any other earbuds yet, or any other case. So you turn off the light, you mightn't see it there. It's probably just for the wireless charging that comes on, if I think correctly now. When you drop this in the wireless charging plate, the ring illuminates around the edge here. It's pretty neat indeed. I'm not seeing it on any other boards. There you can see it there faintly. So that's pretty much it for that. So any questions, feel free to hit us up on these two new pairs of earbuds from PadMate and PaMu. Looking forward to testing out the past products that we've tested, we still use today, and they're performing brilliant. And particularly I like these the best out of the lot so far. But looking forward to testing these out, and I love the design on these ones here. They are quite different. I've never seen a pair of earbuds like this. Considering the amount of earbuds we test here, really nice unique design there, and they look very comfy indeed. So that's pretty much for it at the moment. If any questions, again, drop a comment below, give us a shout if you need anything answered or any help. I'll gladly assist you, and we'll talk to you soon.